we'll hit the ground running. So my first question is, what originally drew you to Veblen, Elton?
Yes, I have actually accidentally involved myself into the advisory role previously in multiple occasions. So, for example, some of my friends they were setting up a new company, and then they want to ask me for my advice. And then also, I was again I was accidentally put into a few merger and acquisition situation, and then became a board member then. So it wasn't structured in the most formal way or the organized way. So I really wanted to learn how to do it properly with the right contract, maybe, or with the right structure, with the right how to say the
Process.
syntax. Yeah, the process and the syntax. So hence I've joined the other community, which you're aware about the M&A and of course, and then I've joined the Veblen due to this.